We want to talk about this, Annalise, and what a gorgeous day today, and it looks like the rest of the weekend is going to be as nice or nicer.
Oh my goodness, yeah, it's gorgeous. The fact that it landed on the weekend too, it just kind of feels like we hit the jackpot. I know a lot of folks have been wanting the warmth, and you're about to get it in a big way the next few days. Look at how quiet things are on our satellite and radar. We are under the influence of high pressure parked out to the west that's going to continue to roll this way. It's going to make for more of that view, not even really seeing much in the way of cloud cover the next several days. And with that, we've got this really dry air mass. So that's the reason you've got that nice blue sky and hardly a cloud in the sky. You can see there those amber colors. That's a very dry air overhead. We'll keep it going into the next several days. So that kind of a dry air does heat up quickly, especially when you add a south wind to it. And that's what we're about to see later today, but especially into Saturday. And then it turns a bit more breezy into Sunday, where temperatures are pushing 90 degrees. So a big warm up nonetheless. But as we're talking about these warm conditions and that dry air, this does not bode well for that elevated fire threat that we've been battling here lately. Of course, drought conditions continue, severe to extreme drought. So for today, that elevated fire danger is going to lie just west of the Metroplex. Fast forward into tomorrow, it starts to creep in. The drier air starts to roll a little bit farther east, so we will see that elevated fire danger pushing more into the Metroplex, at least western sides, and even kind of clipping Dallas County into Sunday. But what I want to point out on Sunday, now we're introducing the potential for critical fire danger out to the west, Breckenridge to Comanche, where things could get out of hand very quickly. So be very careful as we head into the next few days, especially later in the weekend. Some things we can all do to help. Of course, don't throw your cigarettes on the ground. Make sure that those tow chains are not dragging on the ground. Don't park or drive over tall grass. That's a big one. All it takes is a spark to get a fire going. But we will see this dry air staying in play. Dew points stay very low, but of course the driest air is going to remain back to the west all through the weekend. On top of that, our winds are picking up, especially as we move on into Sunday. Gusts over 25 miles an hour to 30 miles per hour Sunday and into Monday. So, of course, what's going to help is going to be rain, and we finally get that in our forecast. Rainfall is in the forecast Tuesday night, but especially Wednesday. Some widespread showers and the potential for storms. Far too soon, though, to know if those would be strong to severe, but we'll keep you posted, and at least it will cool us down just a bit, Karen.
All right. Thank you very much. We do need the rain, Annalise.